Hi everybody! It's Emily from D.I.Y, and I've never really done a video on tools or anything like that that I'm going to eventually hopefully use. I haven't even done anything with this guy yet, but I just wanted to kind of show off what I got. And I just thought this would be a really cute short little video for you guys in case you guys were interested in this sort of thing. So if you guys noticed in some of my videos, I was using a really old school glue gun it's kind of small and it's from the dollar store. I love it because it's pink and stuff and it's super cute, but number one, I needed something a little larger, and number two, I needed something that was a little more professional than what I had. Anyways, this is something that I picked up and it's from We Are Memory Keepers, and I hope you guys check this out. Maybe I'm gonna put a link hopefully down below. I got this from Amazon, but I think you can get this on other sites and stuff like that as well. So this is a maker's glue gun kit. This whole thing's a kit, so pretty cool. I'm gonna do this sort of an unboxing of this, but I'm gonna read the back a little bit about what it sort of contains. Actually, let's just take it out. What the heck? Might as well, right? Let's take out everything for this video so you guys can see what I've got here. So it's basically like this, and it comes in some plastic, like everything does pretty much. I don't know if I'm gonna take it out of the plastic right now. Anyways, this is beautiful mint color. I think there's a few different colors. I think there's like a pink and mint, and I can't remember if it's black or white. I think there's a few different colors on the site. I think there's at least 3 different colors. So I got this mint blue one. I think it's really pretty. I love pink too. It was really hard to choose because I loved all those colors really. If I could, I'd have a rainbow of them. But anyways, but I had like an originally I already had a pink glue gun. So anyways, so I got the mint one. And I think the mint's really pretty because I love pink and mint. Actually, I love blue in general, so. And green. I'm starting to really get into green too. Anyways, it also comes with, this is really cool for me anyways, I think, and I'm sure for a lot of people out there, there's probably a reason they included this, but you basically put this, I'm gonna take this out actually. Yeah, so this here is for sticking on your finger. Does it fit on my finger? I have a pretty small finger, so it's silicone. It has like almost, I don't know if you guys can see very well here. Let's see if I can focus this a bit better. You guys see that? Right along here, it's kind of bumpy. It's got this sort of like bumpiness to it, probably for extra protection, I guess. Because sometimes you can easily get burned with your hot glue, right? I mean, I don't find it too bad. I've probably been burned worse, but it's not something that I would recommend doing on a daily basis, right? Especially if you're a crafter. So this is gonna come in handy for sure if I ever do something with the glue and push it around and stuff like that. If you don't feel like touching it and you want the glue to be cleaned up in certain places, there's kind of like a pointy end and sort of like a flatter sort of scrapey tool to sort of push the glue around. So I'm really excited about getting that. Also, this thing comes with actual glue. So yeah, I think it comes with, how many does it come with? 20? Is it 20 stick? 10. I was overshooting it. It comes with 10 sticks, 10 clear glue sticks. So that's really good in general, because sometimes if you just buy a glue gun, you have to buy the stuff separately. So I love kits because you get a whole bunch of stuff in there. Also, does it come with white? No, I don't think so. Okay. It comes with 5 black ones. In case you guys do like darker projects, especially with like Halloween and stuff like that coming up, this is awesome for stuff like that. So I really hope you guys check this kit out and maybe even get it yourself. And if you do darker projects, this might be a really awesome thing for you too. Obviously clear is probably going to be my go-to because I like a lot of different colors and things like that, including clear. So hopefully this will work out really well. But so this is probably, they're quite thick, so this is probably better for like the bigger glue guns and stuff out there. I don't really have a lot of glue sticks for bigger glue guns because I have like my smaller one, so this should be really interesting. What else does this have? Oh, okay, cool. So this has like a little thing to sit, I'm doing this with the plastic on, to sit your little glue gun onto, which is really great. And it has almost like a little silicone kind of thing, so if the glue drips out onto here, you can probably easily peel that off, and obviously it's just safer for your surfaces and stuff to have something better than what I normally use, which is like a lid. I always have like a Tupperware lid or something like that, which again is like no shade to anybody who wants to do something like that, but like this is gonna be a relief because I have been doing that for years, and this is going to be a nice change, I think. And obviously it has for your tools and things like that, like it has like little kind of like a tool spot, which is really, really cool. And you can put like smaller tools and stuff like that in there. It also has this in case you want to like wind up your cord for your glue gun and put that away really neatly. If you're the type of person who doesn't like to just throw things around and you actually like to like wind things up neatly and make things look pretty and nice and tidy and stuff like that, this might be something that you potentially could get into. So that's basically that, I guess. I don't know if there's anything else I'm missing on here that I should be talking about. Oh, is there a silicone tip on here? Oh, cool. So there's actually, that's interesting. There's actually a silicone tip on the end of this, like where the tip of the heat gun is. So that's supposed to protect you, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it protects from burns, but it can also be removed for detailed work. So if you really wanted to do some really, really detailed work and get your glue gun into some crevices or something like that that are kind of hard to get into with this thicker end, you can take that right off. It looks like it has like a really tiny hole there at the end there, so hopefully this will be really, really great to have. So what is this? It says glue gun 120 volts to 60 hertz. I think that's basically what it says. So what else? What other features does it have on here? Oh, okay. So it's a low temperature glue gun and it works great with paper, fabric, ribbon, burlap, foam, and that's all it says. Everything else is in other languages and stuff like that, which I'm not going to butcher, unfortunately. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna attempt anyone else's language here because I will probably screw it up hardcore and you guys are gonna make fun of me for sure if you don't already about pronouncing things. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed that sort of product share. Yeah, I'm really hoping that you'll see it in other videos upcoming and hopefully it works out for me, and I guess we'll soon see. So other than that, I just hope that you guys like and subscribe and share this kind of video if you think anyone's going to enjoy this sort of product and content. And yeah, that's all I pretty much have to say right now. So take care guys, have a good one. Okay, bye.